Hello guys, it's Gosby from Pydroid, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can run Python on Android using your smartphone. And so on your smartphone, if you have the Google Play Store installed, first of all what you have to do is you go to your Google Play Store, and then we're going to search for an application that we can use to run Python. And so we're going to search for the application named Pydroid 3. It's spelled Pydroid, and then when you search on it, you can see that it will display the IDE, and it shows that the IDE for running Python 3 on Android device. And so I already have mine installed. And so what you will do next after installing this is to install the Pydroid repository plugin. So what you have to do is to scroll downwards, or you search for the Pydroid repository plugin and then install it. And the repository plugin contains all the plugins you can use for running the app manually. You have to install it. And next, what you're going to install is the Pydroid permissions plugin. And this permissions plugin will enable the Pydroid 3 to get some permissions from the Android phone. And with that, we are good to go. So we are going to run Pydroid 3 to see how we can run codes with it. So when you click on your Pydroid 3, so what you're going to do, we are going to print out a statement to the Python console and test run it. Okay, so you're going to click on the yellow button. You can see it by the bottom right hand corner, and when you click on the play button, it will run the code for us and print it out as you have written it. And so you can also install another APK on the Google Play Store, which is called Qpython 3L. And so in your Google Play Store, you go, you search for Qpython, and you will see the application. You have to install it. Click on install. You can also install the sister version of it, which is the Qpython Os. You Google search for it. So another way of installing this application is by going to your browser, and then you search for it in your search bar. So you're going to search for the Qpython 3L APK, and you can see the application here. And so you can manually download and install the application. Also, you can also search for the Pydroid 3, and it will be available for download. So you search for Pydroid 3 APK, and also you can download it and install it in your phone. Likewise, you can also search for the Pydroid repository plugin, and you can see it in this website. It has the Pydroid repository plugin and the Pydroid permissions plugin all in one place, and so you can manually download and install this. And so let's briefly look at the Qpython 3L and see how we can run code on it. So when you open the Qpython 3L, you go to the editor, and then we're going to print out a statement. And so for us to run this code, all we have to do is to save it and give it a name. So I'm going to save mine as new.py because it's a Python file, and we save our Python files using the py extension. So when you save this, you can see that the color has changed, and so you can click on the play button in the middle here, and when you click on the play button, you can see that it has printed out, hi, what's your name? You can see it after this before the last line, you can see that it has printed out the code on the Python console. And so guys, that's all for Python on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, support me, turn on the notifications bell. For any comments, any question you have, you can drop in the comment section. Any contribution, you can contact me to support my work, support my project. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial where I'll be showing you how to print your first statement on Android phone and how to run codes and set up Pydroid on your Android device. Thanks guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Goodbye.